Welcome to Madam T's channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about animal sounds. So, do you know what is animal? There are a lot of animals in the world. For example, elephant, lion, sheep, cat, rabbit, and many more. So, today we are going to learn some of the animal sounds. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's start with the first one. What is this? Yes, this is a cat. A cat. I'm pretty sure most of you love this animal. So, how does a cat sound? The sound is meow. Meow. Let's do it together. Meow. Meow. Alright, what is this? This is a duck. A duck. What is the sound of a duck? The sound is quack, quack. Do it with me. Quack, quack. Good. Okay, this is a bird. What is this? Yes, this is a bird. And it sounds like chip, chip, chip. Do it with me. Chip, chip, chip. Good. Aha! What is this? This is a cow. A cow. And the sound of a cow is moo. Moo. Let's do it together. Moo. Moo. And the last one is a mosquito. This is a mosquito. And the sound of a mosquito is buzz. Do it with me. Buzz. Very good. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.